Thank you for joining me once again at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that introduces all the vocational training, that is the Ausbildung that is done in Germany. Still on the Fahrzeugkraft Mechanicatronikerin, Fahrzeug Mechanicatronikerin. This is the third area of specialization in this fifth career path. The previous area of specialization has been introduced in previous videos. I will encourage you to watch them. And in this, I'll be discussing the SCHWERPUNKT NUTZFAHRZEUGTECHNIK, that is focus on commercial vehicle technology. That is the third area of specialization in this career path. The duration is 3.5 years. The Ausbildung training type is it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf, that is a recognized training occupation. What is their job description? They focus on commercial vehicle technology from semi-trailers and trailers and big cars. They test motor vehicle mechatronics with a focus on commercial cars. They are into commercial cars focus. For example, the lightning, they carry out the chassis measurement, check the fastenings, check brake systems, the drive units, and engine management. And they also check the tenancy of the system. They lubricate parts, replace defective components, and repair damage to the body and change lubricants. Where do they find employment? They find employment in technical repair shops for manufacturers and suppliers of commercial vehicle, for freight, bus companies with an attached workshop. They also find employment there. Do you need any certificate? Yes, you can have the certificate, or you can also go without the certificate, although the chances are very slim if you don't have a certificate. But you can, if you have your Abschluss or your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, Fachhochschulreife, Mittelbildungsabschluss, that is your secondary school living diploma, your university qualification, technical college qualification, intermediate education qualification, you can go into this career path. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The fourth area of specialization is the Schwerpunkt Personenkraftwagentechnik, that is focused on passenger car technology. The duration is 3.5 years. The type of training is an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf, that is a recognized training occupation. It is state recognized. And what is the job description? What do they do? The automotive mechatronics technicians with a focus on passenger car technology maintain mechanical, electronic, hydraulic, and pneumatic systems in cars. That is what they do. Using electronic or computer-aided measuring and diagnostics devices, they test and analyze the drive units. They test the damping level control, the driver assistance systems. They are into the cars, driver assistance systems in cars. They test it. They lubricate parts. They replace defective components, repair drive components, and change lubricants, brake, or hydraulic fluids. And they also check whether road traffic regulations are being adhered to and carry out test drives and emission measurements. The emissions that comes from the cars, they test the emission measurement as well. Where do they find employment? They find employment in motor vehicle manufacturing companies. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do need a certificate. Your Abschluss or your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, Fachhochschulreife, Mittelbildungsabschluss, you need them to go into this career path. If you don't have a certificate, you can as well go into it, but you have to be able to defend why you want to go into this. And that is if you have your secondary school living certificate, your university qualification, your technical college qualification, or your intermediate education qualification, then you can go into this career path. That is the fourth career path. So if you need further information on how to proceed, then feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The fifth career path is the Schwerpunkt System on Hochvolttechnik, that is focused on system and high volume technology. The duration is 3.5 years. The training is also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a state recognized training occupation. What do? They compare the measured value with the target values and assess whether a system is working or whether they need to change settings or correct other causes of problems in the cars. They replace wearing parts and defective components. They install high voltage component systems and change lubricants, brakes, and hydraulic fluids. If necessary, repair drive components and information or communication systems in the cars. They also install additional devices such as the navigation device system or hands-free system in cars. Where do they find employment? They find employment in repair shops and manufacturing companies of motor vehicles, particularly hybrid and electric vehicles. So if you're interested in how hybrid and electric vehicles are being created or are being built, then this is a career path you want to look into. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do need a certificate as well. Your Abschluss, Realschulabschluss, Hochschulreife, Fachhochschulreife, Mittelbildungsabschluss. And if you don't have the like 1% or 2% is admitted into this career path, but you have to defend why you want to go into this as well. You need your secondary school leaving certificate, your university qualification, your technical college qualification, or intermediate educational qualification to go into this career path. So if you're interested in hybrid cars or electric cars, how it's been made or created or built, then this is a career you want to look into. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. Don't give up on your careers. Don't forget, only you can stop you.